Hi, this is Peter Veksleman. So today is actually the first day that one of my top negotiators, her name's Tanya, is working from home. She's actually going to be working from home permanently from this point on. Now here's why I bring this up to you. So many times people ask me, when I'm working with people and I'm starting to develop a team around myself, is this somebody I want to work with that I could actually have to bring into my office or bring to a central location, or do I outsource everything? One of the big things in this business are VAs, sometimes even working people from, with international companies like Philippines and stuff like that. Look, I'm not against anything that has to do with not working from a central location. I've done it multiple times, but I will tell you my key aspects, the key things that have to be done in this business, the key functions, the key people, I'm a huge proponent that those individuals, those members of your team have to be right around you. Whether in your home office, whether it's in your office that you have in your location, but I don't believe outsourcing the key functions of this business. So let's go back to Tanya. As I mentioned, Tanya is one of our top negotiators. It's not uncommon that Tanya will get anywhere from 3 upwards to 6 to 7 deals or properties under contract for me on a weekly basis. That's a huge upside to her. So here's what happened. Her husband now got a job in a different city, so they're moving away from Atlanta. And so we had to make a decision. Do we lose someone like Tanya to a move, or do we go with Tanya, do we remain with Tanya and somehow figure out a way to work with her from a dislocated location? Remember, I just told you, I do not like to have the key functions, and marketing is a key function, somewhere out of my office. Well, we've actually given her our own phone system so we can monitor everything, so we could see what's taking place. She's trained. She's been with us for months, so we know she has the capability. We know she's got the personality in terms of her ability to get up in the morning and do her work. So in this regard, I'm taking her outside the office. We're okay with that. But back to the premise of what I'm talking to you about today. The key functions, in my opinion, have to be built out. When you get beyond doing it yourself, I would strongly suggest doing it from a central location, at least until you have situations like Tanya's here, where you feel confident enough in that individual and that person to no longer be around you. And at that point, you could think about doing that function with that person from a different location. Hey, I hope that helps. All right, you guys know what we do here. We do a bunch of deals, and we teach other people how to do a bunch of deals. So number one, if you're an aspiring real estate investor, or if you already are in the industry and you're looking to kind of move up the food chain, I could help you in my one-on-one mentoring program. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Also, right below this video, you'll see a link to my personal website, coachingbypeter.com. Learn a little bit more about how I could personally help you grow a big real estate investing business. The other thing we do here is we sell off-market wholesale properties in the Georgia market. So if you're a buyer, or if you know buyers looking to do deals specifically towards Atlanta, then you need to be on our buyers list. Again, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email directly and just say, add me to the buyers list, put your contact information in there, and on a daily basis, you're gonna get 1, 2, sometimes as many as 3 off-market properties emailed right to you. Thanks, guys.